What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Frankie. I know you guys, it's been a few months. I do want to apologize for that, my bad. So guys, we're back and we're better than ever. Yes, a lot of things have changed on the truck. Still working on it. Voy a tratar de hablar en español más en los videos para toda mi raza. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Yo soy Francisco, pero todos me llaman Frankie. O me pueden llamar Francisco, no hay pedo. Hoy todavía estamos trabajando en mi troca, en la Silverado. So yeah guys, today we're gonna be actually working on the truck again. We're actually changing the bulb cover gaskets today. Hopefully everything goes right. So hoy vamos a estar trabajando en la troca. So guys, here is the truck. As you see, I got the hood open. So a little changes have been done to the truck, you guys, and I'm gonna show you right now. The first thing is I put new fog lights. Put projector fog lights. I really just didn't like them at all. Yeah, some purple fog lights, but they weren't really that bright at night. They were just like more for looks. So I wanted something, that actually work, and be useful when driving. This actually are pretty badass. They're on Amazon. I will leave the link down below if you guys trying to check them out. But yeah, we installed new fog lights and I'm gonna show you guys how they look. Turn on the lights right here. Fog lights. So as you guys see, there's a reflection of them. They're pretty bright, to be honest. They were around like 70, 80 bucks. I don't remember. It's pretty neat. They're really bright. I actually changed the switchbacks for the turning lights because one of them was blinking. I think it was this side. So let me show you guys. Last but not least, guys, I don't know if you guys remember, but a few months ago I was trying to find a set of wheels for the truck, and I actually found a set, guys.
No más porque traigo un peso, dicen que no soy el mismo. Señores, no se confundan, me encuentro en el mismo piso, o es que me quieren abajo para poder ser su amigo.
Alright, you guys, so here's the progress. I just took this bulb cover off and I got it over here. I got all the parts over here. Here's the old gasket, and here's the bulb cover. I'm still trying to clean it, make it look new again, because I'm gonna paint him. There's the stuff I'm using right now. Bueno guys, pues ahí la llevamos. Como pueden ver, pinche mugrero. We got right here, guys, a mess. Aquí están los results. Ahí ya quedó, ahí 2, 3. Ahí le vamos todavía a seguir ahí. Esto no le tiene que quitar un poquitito más, pero ahí quedó el putazo. Lo que sigue es limpiarla, que se seque y a darle una pintadita. So right now, all we have to do is just dry it up and clean it up a little bit more. As you see, we still got a little bit more to clean, but that's way different and way more clean than how it was. Look at all this mess. God damn. What do you guys think? Does that look good or bad? Let me know in the comments. All right, you guys, here's progress. As you guys see, we just started painting the covers up. We still got a few more coat shit. But yeah, it's not gonna be perfect, but you know, I'm using this paint. Probably it's not the best for this, but oh well. All right, guys, we're back. So we already took apart all the bolt cover. So right here, guys, this is like the third coat. Looks decent. Still waiting to put another coat. And right here, we got all of this assembled. I didn't put the last one in because it's way more easier to install this in the truck. After that, I can install it. Here it is, guys. I just cleaned the whole outside. I just took out all that oil and grease and everything that was stuck right there. Te voy a empezar con este lado ahorita. So I'm gonna start with this side right now. So I can take this cover off and I can clean it so I can paint it. There we go, more light. Here's the cover for that side. As you guys see, it's really dirty. Just look at all that grease and oil that's right there. Look at the inside. Damn. Well, guys, I'm gonna do my best on cleaning this so I can start painting it. Well, I'm gonna do my best and clean this so I can start painting it. So catch you guys in a second. All right, you guys, here's the progress. So as you guys know, I already took out both sides. Here's the one from this side over here, from the left side. And as you see, guys, it's clean now. I already taped it. It's ready to paint. So the next step is to go in, paint it. So here it is, guys. It's ready for paint. Here's the before, here's the after. So this one is showing up. All right, guys. Here's the first coat of paint. It's looking all right. So I'm gonna wait like 10-15 minutes to give it another coat. What's up, you guys? Today is the next day. Yesterday we actually finished pretty late. I didn't have time to record nothing, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and start installing them on the truck. So before that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give the engine bay a little bit cleanup because it's a little bit dirty. As you guys see, it's dirty everywhere. I'm gonna try to clean all the plastics out to see if it makes a difference. Oh yeah, and I installed a new battery like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, probably even more. Here are the results. As you see, they're looking amazing. And the sun, they look way better. So on this one right now, I already put a gasket all around it. As you see, it's pretty clean. Not great, but it's good. So aquí ya tenemos las tapaderas, ya están limpias. Ya las pintamos y ahorita lo que sigue es instalarlas. Ya limpiamos también donde van los coils. Aquí where the coils go, we already cleaned the left side. As you see, it's pretty clean. I even cleaned the coils again. There's the right side. I cleaned that one yesterday. And here you go, guys. I really went hard on this and I cleaned everything. Like, look at the back. Like, it was all dirty and everything, but I tried my best to clean it. Right now I'm going to get started and installing this. And yeah, guys, so let's get it. So ahorita le estoy cambiando a los tornillos, las pinches gomas estas, pero las están cabronas para salir. Unas están bien pegadas porque pues de lo viejo que ya no está guay. So lo que está pasando es que I'm breaking them in half. Los estoy cortando a la mitad para que salgan del tornillo, porque si no, no salen. They're very nasty, so I'm gonna give them a little clean. As you see, I got these ones right here. Estas ya están listas. Ya las limpié, les puse ya la nueva goma. So these ones are ready. Ahorita me falta ponerle la gasket y para que ya quede chingón. So I got all the screws cleaned up and everything. I already put the new sealers too. So yeah guys, now let's get the covers ready to install. So I'm gonna start with the left side first one that dried up, and from that we're gonna do the right side, because I think the left side is the hardest one because of all the hoses and all these cables and all this crap right here. So yeah, let's get it done. Okay guys, well, we got the left side in. As you see, damn, just with the cover painted, it looks way different on this side. It actually matches the back a little bit. It actually matches the color of the truck, you know, but pues ahí está. Ahorita nomás las apreté a mano. They're just tied up by hand, you know, so I'm gonna use the ratchet and tighten it up. Ahorita las voy a apretar porque nomás las apreté a manos. Ya una diferencia, ¿cómo la ven? Bueno guys, hay que seguirle. Ahí quedó guys, I already tied it up. Ya lo apreté. I connected the back hose, eso de ahí. So hay que empezar a instalar el coil pack. I'm going to start installing the coil pack right now with the harness and everything. So let's get it. Okay guys, there we go. We are done with the left side. It looks way different. Ya acabamos con este lado, así que ahorita vamos a ir con el otro lado y acabar el otro. Es una diferencia. Ahí quedó la otra guys. Ya le quité el masking tape. This guys is why you should always tape everything you don't want to paint. It looks pretty clean. I'm going to put the gasket on and put this baby on the truck. Le voy a poner el sello, ahorita la tapa, para luego instalarla en la troca. Okay guys, there it is. Ya le puse el gasket. Now it's ready to be installed. También a esta le compré los new rubbers de los screws también. Alright guys, there you go. I just put in the screws with brand new gaskets on them. Now it's ready to be installed in the truck. Install this side. So I'm going to tighten up the screws. I'm going to mount the coil pack and connect everything together. Here's the other side. I just connected the spark plug cables. This side looks like it's ready. Let's just finish up this side. Well, here's the progress guys. We're now connecting all the cables and making sure that everything is right where it goes. Okay guys, we got everything put back together. I already installed the coils, cables, everything in this side, on this side too. Everything looks ready. I'm gonna double check everything, make sure everything is right, and try to fire it up. Everything looks good. I just installed this bracket that is for this hose. Sounds amazing. I don't see no leaks or anything, so it's all ready. As you guys see, you can do it too. If I did it, you can do it too. It's not that hard, to be honest. Quedó la mamalona, la fiera. Yeah, boy. Pues ahí quedó, guys. Ya quedó la mamalona. It's been warming up for 10 minutes right now. And I don't see no leaks, no nothing. Aquí están los empaques viejos. Here are the old gaskets. Ahorita ya terminamos la mamalona. Para tragar y luego a bañar y a ver qué pinche pedo hacemos. Ahorita nos vemos. What's up, you guys? We're back. So, ya andamos bien bañados, ya comimos. So, ahorita nos vamos a ir a la calle a ver qué pedo. Ahí está la mamalona. Como pueden ver, ahí quedó.